This is massive, and this is exactly what it means to make a sniper entry. You can see how massive it is. This is my entry number one, which is a pending order, and this is also my entry number two, which is also a pending order. This is for a buy stop. Okay, the entry number one, and number two is a buy limit. Okay, you can see the real account. So let's dive into it so that you will. Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. All right, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you this simple way of making sniper entry or a kind of beta entry, just using this liquidity concept, right? So as you can see, I have my buy stop right here, which I'm waiting for the price to trigger, put me in into the trade. Then I have my stop loss right here, and I have my TP right here. So this is very simple. I'm going to be waiting for the price to hit my buy stop, but if I see some movement towards the upside, I can still buy without waiting for my price to trigger, because the price have already given me the first entry, which is supposed to be here, but I was not around to make the entry, so I can still make this one, which is the second opportunity right here. So all I need to do maybe is just to go down to a lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, to look for just a good bullish candlestick right there, okay, to make my entry. So first off, this is the places I'm going to be looking for entry. Either the price hits me in here, or when the price break above here, I'm going to be making my entry. So these are the two ways I'm going to be making entry. Either the price touch my buy limit right here, or the price break above here, then I'll make my entry. Okay, so this strategy is simple. Let me share this strategy with you guys. Okay, so you choose any time frame of your choice. So this can work in any time frame of your choice, depending on any time frame you want to use. You can go to a higher time frame, you can go to a lower time frame, or the concept is the same. All right, so first you are going to be looking for liquidity. All right, you just want to see liquidity sweep, maybe buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. So what do I mean? When the price is pushing to the upward direction, we are looking for reversals, right? So you just want to see the price push, and you see a candlestick break above the previous high. Okay, once this happen, the I think ICT concepts call this zone the liquidity zone. When the price clears the liquidity, you just want to wait for the price to drop, okay, and you mark your order block, which I've taught you guys in this channel before. You mark your order block at this zone, okay, then you wait for the price to bounce back to that zone, then you are selling. Okay, you are selling from here. So the opposite is the buying, which is what we have here. So the price have been pushing to the downside. I don't want to just scroll back the data. Then you have here the price push up, and boom, the price cleared the liquidity with that wick right there. So after the liquidity, the price buys, and you just mark your order block. So your order block, which is this bearish candle right here, which you can see the blue line. This is my blue line here. That is the order block right there. So what did the price do after the price break this structure? Okay, the price started to push down to the order block and started buying. But the price sometimes will give you like opportunities to enter the trade, so the price is tracing back again. So the first place I could have bought is right here, and the second place the price is providing another opportunity right here. Okay, so these are the two places I supposed to make my entry. So, and I told you guys I'm going to be waiting for the price to push me in once the price hits this buy stop. But if the price could not hit the buy stop, I'm going to a lower time frame to make another entry based on I've missed the first entry, so the price must not hit the order block again before. So I'm waiting for the price to clear all these swings, these highs. Okay, I want a strong bullish candle here, okay, to trigger me, okay, to buy this. Another thing you need to pay close attention to, on 5 minutes time frame, you can see we have a lot of fair value gap right here, which means the price is likely going to push up to correct this gap. Okay, so that's another reason why I'm hoping that this market is going to, buy for some time. So this is exactly the strategy. So I'm going to be sharing with you the outcome if the price pushes us in or the price failed. Okay, but what another thing you can equally do is just to use sorry, can use a buy stop. Okay, you can use a buy stop right here. You can set your buy stop, and also maybe your put in your stop loss down here. Okay, you can put in your stop loss, then TP should be at least times 3 or 4, which let me see the okay, TP should be around here. So these are the things I'm likely going to be doing. So you can see that the price is actually massively pushing to the upside. So once the price hits here, can actually push me into this market. Okay, so these are the two entries I'm looking forward to, and I'm hoping it goes my way. Okay, and if it goes my way, you can see the risk, this is a decent risk reward, is nice. So let's see how it goes, guys.
So guys, as you can see, we are massively into this trade, and the price pushed all the way to the upward direction, as you can see. So you can also check out my entry, the buy stop right there, also the buy limit, everything. What happened is that the buy stop loss, I actually decided to like adjust the stop loss later, okay, because I've seen that this price is going to push to my direction, so I wouldn't want to be stopped out for nothing. So what I would do is I simply have to shift my stop loss to the entry of that my initial pending order. That is exactly what I did, and you can see how this price, the impulsive move at that zone, that's great. This is the kind of sniper entry you want to want to be entering. So you also check out where my TP is and all that. So just to share with you how the trade is going, like I promised you guys when I shared this video, I told you guys I'm going to be sharing with you how the trade played out, if we hit our stop loss or we hit our entry and all that. So guys, this strategy is simple, just apply it. You can see my first entry where it triggered me in, and when the price retreats back and push me into the pending order, the buy limit right there. Okay, so I used the buy stop and buy limits, okay, at that point. So